Remove the 3 screws on the side of the cartridge. Remove the side panel. Note the position of the gears in case you lose one of them. Remove the white bushing. Remove these 2 gears. On the other side, remove the other 3 screws. Remove the other side panel. Remove the other bushing. Remove the metal spring. Remove the 2 bushings of the toner roller. They are held in place by a hook. You can use a flat screwdriver to lift up the hook. Do the same with the other hook. Remove the toner roller. Remove the refill cap. Clean out all the remaining toner from the cartridge. It's better to use compressed air or a toner vacuum. If possible, use a toner workstation. Do not breathe the toner dust. Gently clean the toner roller with a soft cloth. You can use water or isopropyl alcohol. This roller carries the toner from the supply chamber to the drum. Using a cotton swab and alcohol, clean the toner roller blade so there is not evidence of build-up along the edge. If any build-up exists, the cartridge will print vertical white lines. Be careful, these metal blades are easily bent or warped. This blade controls the amount of toner on the toner roller. Be careful not to damage this mylar blade. If this blade is bent or damaged, the cartridge will leak toner. Fill the cartridge with Panasonic toner. Replace the fill plug and check for leaks. Reinstall the toner roller. Reinstall the 2 bushings. Reinstall the metal spring. Turn the roller by hand several times to make sure it's correctly installed and there are no spots on the surface. In case of dirty, clean it with a soft dry cloth. The chip is a page counter and has to be replaced each time you refill the cartridge. Remove the 2 plastic blocks and remove the old chip. Install the new chip. Use a bit of glue to fix the new chip in position. Install the 2 gears. Insert the bushing in its slot. Reinstall the side panel. Insert the 3 screws. Insert the other bushing in the slot. Install the other panel. Reinsert the 3 screws. And the work is done. For any problem with the cartridge, in the description of this video you'll find a link to a troubleshooting guide.